In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change personal information in Exness. If you're trying to update your details in your Exness account, it's important to know that not every piece of personal information can be changed in the same way. Some details can be updated directly from your personal area, while others require help from customer support. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you what you can change yourself and what to expect for the information that cannot be edited manually. First, let's talk about your registered name. Exness does not allow users to simply edit their name directly from the dashboard. So if you open your account and expect to find a simple edit button next to your name, you likely won't see one. This is normal, since name changes usually involve identity verification and account security checks. If your name needs to be corrected or updated, keep in mind that this is not something you can do instantly on your own from the main account area. Now, if you want to update or add a new phone number, that part is much more straightforward. You can do this yourself inside your Exness personal area. This is useful if you've changed numbers, lost access to an old phone, or simply want to keep your contact information current. Always make sure the number you add is active and accessible, especially if it's tied to security verification. To manage that, go to Settings, then Security Settings, and look for the Change option under two-step verification. Once you click that, just follow the on-screen prompts. Exness will guide you through the process, and depending on your current security setup, you may need to confirm the change using your existing verification method. Take your time here because this step helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Next, let's cover your email address. Your email is your unique login credential, so it cannot be changed manually inside the platform. If you need to update the email linked to your account, you'll need to contact Exness customer support. This is a security measure, and it helps ensure that only the legitimate account owner can request such an important change. Finally, if your account is fully verified, you can usually request an address change by clicking the Change or Edit button next to your address in the Settings or Profile section. If that option appears, follow the prompts carefully and be ready to provide any supporting documents if requested. Since address details are often tied to verification, accuracy matters here. That's how to change personal information in Exness. Just remember, phone numbers and address details may be manageable from your account, while your name and email typically require extra review or support assistance.